How to install Docker on your Linux computer. Docker is a very powerful and robust tool for containerization, and there are many use cases for Docker, from development, penetration testing, and etc. In this video, three solutions has been provided. The first of all, you can install the Docker via Snap Store. To install Docker via Snap Store, you have to call Snap Store as root access snap install Docker, and after that you have to enter your password. And because of Docker is currently installed on my computer, it shows me this message. If it be your first time to install Docker, it starts the installation process. And the second solution is installing Docker via your package manager. No difference that your package manager is apt Debian, apt for Debian based, or Yarn for CentOS, and any other. You have to call your package manager. For example, I call the apt get install docker.io is the name of Docker in the package manager, and done, is installed. Because of its install, it shows me this one very fast. And the third solution is you download it locally from internet and install it quite manually. To do that, you have to open your browser, type docker desktop, and you have to click on the first link that is Docker desktop from the docker.com. And after you do that, this website will shows you that this website shows you that you must click on the download for Linux button, and then again you have to open up your terminal and run this command: sudo apt install dot backslash home, your username, and download, and docker download. Where am I? There's my username, download, and docker desktop, which is a Debian based. Please don't forget that you have to put the dot before slash, and then press enter, enter your password, and done. And if it didn't answer you, you can install it via dpkg commands too. Slash home, who am I, download, and docker, and boom, it's been installed.